All right, let's talk Gmail. Google is rolling out what might be one of the biggest changes we've seen in years. It's a massive AI update, and it's designed to tackle a problem that, let's be honest, we all have, a totally overloaded inbox. So we're going to break down exactly how this all works and what it really means for you and me. So does your inbox feel completely out of control? You wake up, there's a flood of new emails, endless threads you can't keep up with, and you just have that constant feeling that you're falling behind? Yeah, you are definitely not alone. And that is the exact problem Google is trying to solve with a really powerful new AI toolkit. Okay, here's how we're going to tackle this. First, we'll get into why email is so broken in the first place. Then, we'll dive into the brand new free toolkit that's available for every single user. After that, we'll look at the premium AI upgrades for those who want even more power. And finally, we'll talk about what this all means for the future of your inbox. All right, section 1. So before we can really appreciate the solution, we got to understand the problem, right? Why is Google rethinking email from the ground up right now? You know, the problem is pretty simple when you think about it. The email tool itself hasn't really changed in decades, but the way we use it, that has completely exploded. I mean, think back to the 90s. Email was for simple messages from just a few people. Now, it's this chaotic mess of endless threads, notifications from every app, newsletters, spam, you name it. The tool we have was built for a much simpler time, but we're living in this crazy now. And these AI updates, they're Google's big attempt to finally bridge that gap. Okay, so how is Google actually going to help us fight back? Well, it all starts with a really powerful set of AI features that are completely free for everyone. You can think of this as your new frontline defense against that inbox chaos we were just talking about. First up, and this one is huge, is AI overviews. Okay, picture this. You open a long email thread with like dozens of replies. Instead of having to scroll forever, trying to piece the whole conversation together, you're just going to get a quick AI-generated summary right at the top. Boom! You're up to speed instantly. I mean, this is an absolute game changer for catching up on those group project emails or just trying to figure out what's important in a long back and forth without spending, half an hour of your life reading through it all. All right, next up, we've got an evolution of those short, kind of generic replies we're all used to seeing. These are called smarter AI replies. They look at the entire context of the conversation and then suggest responses that actually match your personal tone and writing style, so they feel way more natural, less robotic. This is going to be perfect for those quick back and forths, right? Like when you're just trying to coordinate plans, or you need to answer a quick follow-up, or you're just trying to fire off a reply from your phone real quick. But hey, what if you need more than just a quick reply? We have all been there, just staring at that blinking cursor, dreading writing the first sentence. Well, that is exactly where Help Me Write comes in. It's a feature that's basically designed to kill that blank slate problem for good. And the process is just so simple. You just give it a prompt, something like, draft an email thanking a customer for touring my factory, and the AI generates a whole draft for you. From there, you can tweak it, make it more formal or shorter, whatever you need, and then just pop it right into your email. So let's do a quick recap. Your free toolkit gets you AI overviews to summarize long threads, smarter replies for those quick responses, and Help Me Write to draft emails from scratch. These are seriously powerful tools, and you can start using them right away. But wait! That's just the free stuff. For anyone who really wants to take their email efficiency to the next level, Google's also offering a premium AI upgrade. So let's see what you get if you decide to pay. Okay, first up in the premium tier, let's talk about improving the emails you're already writing yourself. You remember how the free Help Me Write feature creates new text from scratch for you? Well, the first premium tool, which is called Proofread, does kind of the opposite. It's not about writing for you. It's all about improving what you've already written. It's there to make your own message sound more polished and professional. Yeah, think of it like your own personal AI editor. It'll suggest ways to fix your grammar, improve your word choice, help you adjust the tone. Basically, it just sharpens the overall clarity of your message. Now, we get to my personal favorite of the paid features, the new AI-powered search. This is so cool. Instead of trying to guess the exact right keywords to find something, you can now just ask your inbox a question in plain English, just like you'd ask a person. And here's the magic part. Instead of just giving you a long list of emails you have to dig through, the AI actually scans them for you and pulls out the direct answer. It does all the hunting so you don't have to. It's amazing. And the final premium feature, and this one is still rolling out, is a complete rethinking of the inbox itself.
It's called the AI inbox. And it basically turns your inbox into a dashboard that automatically shows you what's most important and what actually needs your attention.
This really does change the game. So instead of just a big long list of emails in chronological order, the AI inbox shows you two key things. First, suggested to-dos, like a contract that needs signing. And second, topics to catch up on, which groups and summarizes related messages for you. It's essentially telling you, hey, this is what matters most right now.
So, to sum up the premium stuff, you've got proofread to polish your own writing, that incredible AI search to find specific info instantly, and the AI inbox to automatically prioritize and organize your whole inbox for you. So that's the whole new toolkit, free and premium. The big question, of course, is when can you get your hands on all this? Let's talk about the rollout. Okay, so here's the deal. The rollout is starting right now, but it's beginning in the US and in English only. More languages and more regions are coming over time. And you've got to keep in mind that some features, like that cool AI inbox, are still in early access, so you might not see them right away. And of course, just to be clear, the advanced tools like Proofread and AI Search, those require a paid Google AI subscription.
And all of this brings us to the ultimate question, doesn't it? For decades, Inbox Zero has felt like this impossible dream, this myth. But now, with AI that can literally summarize, draft, find, and prioritize everything for us, could this finally be the revolution that makes Inbox Zero a reality? It's something to think about.